How to buy SuperRare token. So this token came under the symbol of rare. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. But before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select your network as Ethereum here. Click on this plus icon and here you can paste the token address. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called RAR. So after you find it, click on it and here click on swap. Switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy RAR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.